Jurors have again been sequestered for the evening as another day of deliberations ends without a verdict in the retrial of former UC police officer Ray Tenzing. He's accused of murder for fatally shooting Sam DuBose during a traffic stop. Tenzing's first trial ended in a hung jury. Local 12's Deborah Dixon talked with the family after the jury left. Deb?
Yeah, everybody is thinking hung jury, of course, because last time, after 24 hours, the jury came out and said we can't reach a verdict. So after 18 and a half, everybody's wondering. But Sam DuBose family can only see this one way.
This is murder in Ohio. You use a gun and shoot somebody in the head. If I walk up right now and shoot somebody in the head, I may have never met them. They would be charging me with murder, Deb. Murder. If I go right now and shoot somebody in the head, you would charge me with murder, because what do I expect the result of that to be? They're going to walk home? He killed Sam purposefully.
But clearly, the jury has seen the video and is still stuck. Tenzing said he shot to stop the threat because he was tangled in the car and DuBose drove away. He wept on the stand when he testified.
It's difficult to sit here and think, are they going to give any value to his life? That's what this says to me. Are they going to give any value to his life? This saying not guilty is saying there's no value to his life, because you're saying that Tenzing had a license to kill him for not taking off his seatbelt. I do know somebody's in there fighting for Sam, just like I knew the last time, or they would have been done.
Peace and prayers. That's all. That's going to get us through.
The interesting thing is, Rob, that even though we're all thinking they got to be stuck because it's been 18 and a half hours, the jury has not come out and said, we're kind of stuck. They haven't come out and asked anything, nothing. The very first day they said, you know that one piece of evidence in that box? We can't find it in the box. And that's it. So we'll be back here tomorrow, Rob.
So by this time in the first trial, if I'm not mistaken, they were already deadlocked. Is that true?
That's right. The first trial, after 16 hours of deliberating, they came out and said, we can't agree. And the judge sent them back another time. They came back, said we can't agree. And the third time they came back, it was declared a hung jury. So it's been 18 and a half hours. You know, I have no idea what's going on in there, except they're clearly struggling with something, Rob.
Yeah, we haven't heard a peep. Also, the number one question people are asking me on the street is, if Tenzing walks, will there be riots? Do you have a sense of that?
I don't think this is a riot thing, to be perfectly honest with you. It's been so calm down here and so peaceful, and the family is asking people. They said a protest, you go right ahead. That gives us strength, but no trouble, because Sam DuBose was a peaceful man. I mean, this is a call out from the family. So I don't think we're talking riots. I think people will show up if he's acquitted or if it's hung. But I think they'll do what they did last time, and that's walk up Vine Street peacefully, Rob.
Deb, thanks very much. We'll talk again tomorrow. Stay
Okay.
with Local 12 News for coverage of this trial. When the verdict does come in, we'll bring it to you.